installing here. And we're rewiring the equipment on the patch bay here. So there's the patch bay over here. And so Johnny is helping us here. Say hi to the studio audience, Johnny. Hi. And we asked Johnny to wear a mask because it's so much easier for us to look at him.
Que le dijimos que usaras mascarilla para que sea más fácil y no se asusten tanto.
So there's some of our outboard equipment we're installing. So we're going to have one of the most sophisticated studios in Central America when we're done here. So we are by Lake Titlan?
Lake Atitlan.
Atitlan, okay. And it's beautiful. It's right at the base of some volcanoes here. And we were watching one of the volcanoes in the distance spout off yesterday afternoon. Did you guys see that? It was blowing off. So this is a beautiful town here. We're in the Panajachal and Solola region. And anyway, that's what we're doing. She is tracking to the first take we did, which is what he tracked to. So they should be synced.
Está siguiendo ella va a seguir lo que ya cantaron, entonces debería estar sincronizado.
And since he played his guitar in sync with this, we don't need to hear his finished guitar for her to play with. She wouldn't know where she is over just the guitar track.
Entonces no es necesario que escuchemos el track de la guitarra porque eso está sincronizado también.
You give life, you are love, you bring
Remember,
life.
¿Recuerden?
This is just what we're hearing in here.
Eso es solo para escuchar aquí.
You give hope,
I only want to hear enough to know that she's in the right place.
Solo quiere asegurarse que esté en el lugar correcto de la grabación.
Eric, turn the light off in here, would you? Turn the light off.
And great
that's so much better.
are you, Lord. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise. We pour out our praise. It's your
Looking at the level.
breath in our
It's a little
lungs.
hot. We could bring it down.
Un poquito alto, lo podríamos bajar.
As we're watching that, we're watching the amount of gain reduction on our compressor at the same time.
Y al mismo tiempo monitoreamos el nivel de compresión en el medidor.
That's why we've set it up like this, so you can see the compressor
Por eso lo
levels
pusimos
as
así
well
para
as
que se
the
pueda ver al mismo tiempo y sea fácil.
W levels.
You are love. You bring light to the darkness. You give hope. You restore. Hearts will cry, these bones will say, are you Lord? It's your breath.
So I'm watching to see if that goes over and watching the meters to be sure that nothing goes over. And those levels look really good. Let's It's a little hot, but this is a scratch track. We're going to throw this track away. We're not going to keep any of this in the final production. So even though it's a little hot, it's going to be okay.
You give life, you are love,
It's not recording the reverb. It's just listening to it.
Restore every heart that is broken. Great are you, Lord. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise, pour out our praise. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise to you only.
This track here that we're seeing this way, the audio controls for playing it back are here. Okay, so we always should leave these at 0. Don't change these.
Siempre el mixer aquí del programa debería estar en 0. No hay que moverlos.
We are no longer using these controls.
Porque
We're
no los
using
estamos
these
usando,
controls.
que los estamos usando aquí en la
Yeah.
consola.
So this was pretending to do this.
Eso está pretendiendo hacerlo de la consola.
It is copying what this is intended to
Está
do.
copiando qué onda.
And you no longer have to use this poor copy. You can
Y ya
use
no
the
hay que
real
usar
thing.
la compu, sino que en la consola.
So here we have solo, mutes, all of this stuff. But now we can choose
Ahora podemos elegir
whether the signal goes out
si la señal va
to the
saliendo
auxiliary.
para el auxiliar.
So here we are playing it.
Shkisopki, shkachnisikeya, nechkachnish petakchupa, tashialana. Shkisopki, shkachnisikeya, nechkachnish petakchupa, tashialana. Shkisopki,
Let's get number 1 up.
tashialana. Shkisopki, shkachnisikeya, nechkachnish petakchupa,
So
tashialana.
that's 1.
Shkisopki, shkachnisikeya, nechkachnish petakchupa, tashialana. Shkisopki, shkachnisikeya, nechkachnish petakchupa,
We get something that sounds a little easier to
Shkisopki,
hear.
shkachnisikeya, nechkachnish petakchupa, tashialana.
Okay.
Shkisopki,
That's
shkachnisikeya, nechkachnish petakchupa, tashialana. Shkisopki, 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 shkachnisikeya.
So that's out. That's pretty much it.
Eso es todo.
Now, what we have to do is before lunch, I would like to
Antes del
go,
almuerzo,
I would like to find out why
me gustaría
this one
saber
is
por qué
not
no está
working,
funcionando el 4.
and then work on doing some relabeling.